What are you experiencing?
The feeling of a paradox, of two opposites that cannot coexist, yet they are coexisting.
What are the two opposites?
I am not.
It is a great paradox indeed. So we have to first recognize that which we are essentially not in order to discover what we essentially are. So I'm not the body, I'm not the personality, I'm not my culture, I'm not what my parents think of me, I'm not what anybody thinks of me, I'm not any thought, I'm not any experience. I am. I am that which perceives. Now, as this seeming separation between the conceptual self and the true self takes place, it seems initially like there's a duality. Well, there's the conceptual self, the personality in the body, and there's me, awareness. So we have two. But that's not the full story. From this recognition comes an even deeper recognition that, I am also the body. Yeah. I am also this beautiful, unique personality that's expressing through this temporary physical form. I am also the same essence which underlies all existence, all form. So all formlessness is me, and all form is me. And here there's a discovery of oneness and completion. And what's different is our way of relating with the external interface is not born from the conceptual I. There's the perspective, or not perspective, the deeper understanding that all is God's will, if you don't mind the term God, the universe's will, and it's allowed to flow. And with that comes deep peace. Because this universal intelligence is so benevolent, it's so loving. And everything it brings us in the form of experience is a gift, whether we have the eyes to see that or not. It's either a gift in the form of beauty, experience, which are temporary, or in a form of a challenge, which is there to support us to deepen in this presence, to become closer to God, closer to the divine, through apparent suffering. And the key lies in surrender. I surrender everything. surrender everything to God. I want only to know myself fully as that. I want to give my whole life to that. I want to live every moment in this sacred truth. And it's clear that there is a deep and authentic longing here for this truth. And it's beautiful. Yeah, really lovely to meet you.
Lovely to meet you too. Thank you so much.
Thank you.